Later on in this unit, we're going to talk about the fact that similar figures, their side lengths are proportional. Between a pair of similar figures, their side lengths need to be proportional. So one of what we're needed to know is how to solve a proportion. Basic kind would be good for us to start with on our first day back. How to solve proportions. So let's just try the first thing. A proportion is an equation where one ratio is equal to another. 2 is to x as 12 is to 18. 2 for x back in junior high and in math 1. It's a pretty basic skill in algebra. And remember how I solve for x? Butterfly. Take the cross products. Multiply the diagonals. 12 times x is 1 cross product, so that's 12x. Set that equal to the other cross product. 2 times 18. 6. Side by 12. And x is 3. If x is 3, that should make this proportion true. Isn't 12 divided by 18 reduced down to 2/3? 12 is 2/3 of 18. It's proportional. It's 2 equal ratios, so that should be true. I've got a couple different variables and an expression here in this proportion. 6 is to x as 9 is to 7 plus 2x. Once again, take your cross products. Do the butterfly. Cross them up. Multiply the diagonals. Now we'll make a mistake, I think. They take 6 times 7, but they also forget to take 6 times the other piece of that expression, the 2x. So what I like to do is I like to write that as 6 times quantity, 7 plus 2x, so that I don't make that mistake. Take 9 times x, that's 9x, but it's going to be a little bit more work to multiply 6 times 7 plus 2x. So I just write that out as 6 times quantity, 7 plus 2x. How do I simplify this now? Distribute, right. So 6 times 7 and 6 times 2x. These being 9 equals 42 plus 12. One side. How can I do that? Subtract the 9x maybe? Or subtract 12x actually? Yeah. Let's subtract the 12x so I get the x's and the constants separately. X is negative 3x. All I have left on the right is a 42. Divide by negative 3. I think it's negative 14. Let me put the last one here. I want you guys to try this one here. As 30 is to 3x plus 9. Solving proportions is going to be a good skill to have if you're trying to work with similar things. Solve proportion by using cross products. I think it's good to try some practice here before you go right to con, so that you're not just wasting your time getting everything wrong to start. It's all good. All right, let's cross it up here. 2 times 3x plus 9. And 5 times 30 times 30. 50. Now distribute. 6x at 18 equal to 150 still on the right.
18.
6 is that 22?
22.
All right, pretty basic, but I thought it'd be good to look at the first day back, something pretty straightforward for us that we're definitely going to use quite a bit throughout this unit on similarity. Questions so far? All right, so I'm going to pass out some practice. I think it's good to try some extra work before you go right to con. Yeah, con is what I want you to finish up eventually, right? But I think it's good to try some work here before you go right to con, so that you know what you're doing before you have to do it on con, so you're not just wasting your time getting all the questions wrong. You know? So I'll pass this out. Like I said, these are posted on Google Classroom. So if you want to go ahead and grab your laptop,